Alright, what's going on? So today we have back in the shop the F150 that keep doing all this work to. This time the Tpms sensors, the batteries finally died. It's a 2016, kind of expected. A way that you can do it as yourself at the house, not have to take it in. By doing it this way, we will not have to get it rebalanced. So this is the old one and this is the new one. It's identical, the exact same part number, same everything. It is very challenging to get the valve stem out of the rim. So since they are the exact same thing, you just remove this screw there and you swap heads. That's all you gotta do. So let's go ahead and jack the truck up and take the tire off. All right, so once you get the tire off, you pull you gotta get all the air out of the tire. Once you get low enough, you can pull the actual straighter core out. Alright, so pretty much after all the air is out, hopefully you have a bottle jack. Because we're going to essentially put the bottle jack right underneath the receiver here. And it'll be right here, and we're just gonna crank it down, push it down to bust the bead right here, exposing our sensor enough to where we can get in there, change it, and then put it back on, hit it with air, and reset the sensor. There went the bead. Where the jack is, I can't get down in here to change out my sensor. So now I'm gonna have to, like I said, pull jack out, spin it, and then put the jack somewhere a little further back to push it down. All right, so now you can see it. So the little Allen keys right there, right underneath, we'll back them out. This sensor literally comes right off, and then you put the new one on and set it. Okay, so I got the old sensor off, and then we're taking the new sensor. It's going to remove the valve stem. So you can see the new one's in. Now I'm gonna release this guy because now we gotta set the put it back on this bead. The way I do this, I got one of those little, I don't know, barbecue spreader, sauce things, whatever, and some Dawn dish soap. Just put on it and just coat the tire where it actually came off at. And then hopefully, if we hit it with some air, we can get it on there. It'll pop. Just like that. If you can, go ahead and put your straighter back in. Like that, and then finish filling her up. 36. All right, and then simple. Let's put the tire back on. So after you change the TPMS sensor, you need to make it relearn to the truck. You're going to need this tool right here. There's two ways of doing this. One is letting the air out of the tire after hitting the hazard 6 times. It'll put it in the relearn mode. That is only if you need to relearn the sensor without replacing it. Since we had to replace it, you got to relearn the new sensor to the truck. That's where this tool you need. So, and it's only 13 bucks on Amazon. Pushing a foot on the brake, release it. Take your keys, put ignition, go on, off, on. Put your foot on the brake again, release it, off, on, off, on, off, on. And now, I don't know if you heard it, but it just beeped. And it should tell us here in a second. Train left front tire. Okay, it beeped there. Now, it's gonna tell you, it should get to it. There you go. Train right front tire. And you're gonna go in a clockwise motion, so we won't have to keep going back each time. So now we do clockwise. Go to the tire, same deal. It honked, now it's gonna go to the one we just changed. So, I can't guarantee it's gonna work on this one because of the fact that it is a Chinese piece. Oh, and it worked. So unfortunately, that's as far as I can go right now. I can't do the other tire because of the fact that I haven't changed it and it's dead. I already know it won't work. But the new pieces here, it was only a set of 4 for the new Tpms sensors. I think it was like 35 bucks on Amazon. They are Chinese, but they're the exact part number. So far, they have worked for me. I had to buy this tool, 13 bucks on Amazon, super cheap. But guys, I'm gonna do the other one. If you would, like, share, and subscribe, and good luck to you.